Are you ready to discover a delicious way to manage your blood sugar levels and support your overall health? Contrary to common beliefs, certain nuts can be a game changer for individuals with diabetes. These nutrient-packed snacks not only curb your cravings, but also help regulate insulin and improve heart health. Let's explore the top 7 nuts that can positively impact blood sugar levels and empower your diabetic journey. Number 1. Almonds. Almonds are not just a snack, they are a superfood for diabetics. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients, almonds are excellent for heart health and managing blood sugar. They contain monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and increase good cholesterol levels, HDL. The fiber in almonds promotes digestive health and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. Research suggests that incorporating almonds into a diabetic diet can improve insulin sensitivity, making them a valuable addition to your daily snack routine. Enjoy a small handful daily to reap the benefits without excess calories. Number 2. Walnuts. Walnuts stand out for their omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for cardiovascular health and diabetes management. The alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, in walnuts helps reduce inflammation and supports healthy blood vessels. Studies have shown that consuming walnuts regularly can improve lipid profiles by reducing LDL cholesterol levels. For individuals with diabetes, maintaining heart health is essential due to the increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Incorporate 1 to 2 ounces of walnuts into your daily diet by adding them to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal to support your heart health and blood sugar management. Number 3. Pistachios. High in protein and low in saturated fat, pistachios are perfect for regulating blood sugar and promoting fullness. They are also rich in antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health, a common concern for individuals with diabetes. Pistachios have a low glycemic index, making them an excellent choice for diabetics to help control blood sugar levels. Research suggests that including pistachios in a diabetic diet can improve glycemic control and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Enjoy pistachios as a satisfying snack to manage your cravings, support weight management, and promote overall well-being. Number 4. Cashews. Cashews are a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in insulin sensitivity and blood glucose management. Magnesium helps regulate blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin function and glucose uptake by cells. Consuming cashews regularly can contribute to improved insulin resistance, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Additionally, the monounsaturated fats in cashews support heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and increasing good cholesterol levels, HDL. Enjoy cashews in moderation as part of your diabetic meal plan to stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of hypoglycemia. Number 5. Hazelnuts. Delightful hazelnuts are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin E, which is essential for reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both factors in the development and progression of diabetes complications. Hazelnuts' high antioxidant content contributes to lower risk factors for diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Incorporating hazelnuts into the diabetes diet can promote better glycemic control, supporting healthy blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of hypoglycemia. Enjoy hazelnuts by adding chopped pieces to salads, yogurt, or homemade granola bars for a nutritious and flavorful boost. Number 6. Pecans. High in fiber and low in carbohydrates, pecans are ideal for blood sugar control and weight management. The fiber in pecans promotes feelings of fullness, aiding in weight loss or weight management, a critical aspect of diabetes care. Pecans' low carbohydrate content makes them suitable for individuals who are monitoring their carbohydrate intake. Including pecans in your meals can be both flavorful and nutritious, adding healthy fats, fiber, and a delightful crunch. Experiment with pecans in baking recipes or use them as a coating for chicken or fish to enjoy their health benefits. Number 7. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are rich in selenium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in glucose control and insulin sensitivity. Selenium's antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation, a common concern for diabetics, and contribute to lowering LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Consuming just a few Brazil nuts a day can provide significant benefits without exceeding your daily calorie intake. Enjoy Brazil nuts as a strategic ally in managing diabetes, supporting glucose metabolism, and promoting heart health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.